Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching your monitor and GPU baseline. Set the display to its native resolution and highest supported refresh rate because that reduces frame mismatch. Once done, update your graphics driver so fixes and optimizations are applied. You need the most recent build. Also, make sure to turn off in-game frame caps and third-party overlays briefly to isolate tearing causes. These steps create a controlled environment for the next actions and explain why tearing persists when timing differs between GPU and monitor. You now enable synchronization that aligns GPU output with display refresh. Start with VSync to eliminate visible splits. Understanding it can add input lag. If your monitor supports variable refresh, enable G-Sync or FreeSync in the driver and monitor menu because adaptive sync matches varying frame rates with refresh cycles and minimizes both tearing and stutter. If latency is critical, switch to low latency modes or fast sync type options. They reduce lag while still reducing tearing. Once configured, benchmark to compare responsiveness and visual smoothness. You finish by tuning caps and buffering to lock timing. Set an FPS cap equal to your monitor HZ or a stable divisor to avoid uneven frames. This keeps GPU output steady. Enable triple buffering or change present intervals in driver/game settings to smooth frame delivery without stalling the GPU. If tearing continues, make one targeted test. Swap monitors or revert drivers to the previous stable version to isolate hardware versus software faults. If that fails, report exact settings and capture a short video for deeper diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.